Welcome to your suite.
Beautiful.
Very cool.
Get in there.
Very cool.
Wow. Wow.
Very, very cool.
So we've incorporated some of the local colours and brought them in to this boutique hotel. Callie, how are you feeling?
Amazed. Room 205 is an amazing, amazing room. It's a New Mexico feel.
And I know it's not beige, but you don't mind, do you?
No, not at
No?
all. I think it's gorgeous. I do. The walls are still beautiful, and yet we have all this color, and it goes so well with the area that we're in.
I've added colour, but there's something I've taken away. There are no more waivers for your guests to sign. Is that good with you, Callie?
Good.
It's awesome. The front desk no longer has waivers, and the new rooms are colorful. They fit with exactly where we are in this historic district. I am very proud to show people the new rooms.
I've got one very small thing to show you. You ready?
We are.
This you're gonna love.
Oh, it's out here.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
That's amazing.
That's awesome.
Now that's what I call a pool.
Yes, it is.
My God!
Remember, there was leaves and crap everywhere. Now, welcome to one of the hippiest, one of the coolest pools anywhere in New Mexico.
That is the oasis in the middle of the desert.
Gone is that hideous fence and replaced it with new turf and pool furniture to die for. Beautiful.
It is. It is.
People will just want to come and hang out here now, man. Bam, this is awesome. The pool, absolutely beautiful. Never seen anything like it. If we don't have pool parties now, then something's wrong.
This is your fantastic cabana area.
Gone is the stage. If you want to sing, Callie, do it in the shower.
Can I have a margarita, Carlos?
I'll be serving a lot of drinks out here.
I'm hoping the business is going to absolutely kick off with this wonderful pool. Now that you have a stunning outside area, let me introduce you to your new poolside menu.
Wow. Wow.
Poolside.
So you start off with a lovely, refreshing tomato gazpacho, beautifully marinated, seasoned lovely with extra virgin olive oil. Fish tacos as well,
Oh, I'm gonna eat all that.
Yes.
and delicious fruit kebabs.
Oh, this is great.
Wonderful fresh fruit, mango, orange, lime, coconut, and seasoned with those wonderful green local chilies. A taste of New Mexico, not Tuscany, Callie.
Outstanding. The tomato gazpacho is magnificent.
I'm very proud to cook this food. It makes sense, and it goes with New Mexico. I think it's excellent.
Have a good look at the menu, get used to it, because we're going to be pushing it big time. See you in a minute. This makeover is the biggest I've done in any of the hotels I've visited. There's over $150,000 worth of upgrades, and I've never been happier with the improvements. It's exactly what the guests need. If I was Callie, I'd be over the moon.
Green chilies, pecans, everything that New Mexico is about, we have it on the menu. We have the guacamole, we have the salsa.
What do I do with the 5 cases of hamburger buns that I just brought in? And even more, hey, what, we want to spend an hour putting things away every night and then bring them out every morning. This is what Ramsey gave the hotel. Labor, 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 labor. Who do I hire to do that? This is a lot of work. I can't. I
love the
can't
pecans.
deal with it. It gotta go.
Oh my God.
There's things that I'm concerned about. The pool is outstanding. It's scary to me because I've got a pretty big job ahead of me now. And the linens, major pain in the ass. So many things that I'm going to have to do that right now, I'm really like freaking out over these. And what I'm going to do is raise prices.
Callie is a little overwhelmed right now. I do believe she likes the fact that it's more New Mexican,
Jesus, God Almighty.
but Callie's Callie.
Where's all my
Where's all my shit? What does that mean?
all the other stuff that you took away?
What stuff? Tell me. And I'll be-
The tapestries. Oh, I know you took down all the grapes.
Yes.
Which was covering a pretty big hole in that wall.
Right, let's show me. Show me what we
it's not
what we're
catastrophic.
whinging about.
Oh,
Is
no.
that what you're worried about? Is a plastic bunch of grapes?
To hide this where somebody hit it with a table.
We can get your grapes back and you can stick plastic grapes back on the wall. Let me show you something for 2 seconds. I want to show you something really important.
Just have a look at that out there. How
I
beautiful
know,
is
it's
that?
gorgeous.
It's exactly what
Yeah.
your guests need and want.
Let me show you something.
Oh, there it is.
I look at that amazing stuff there, and I look at this pile of and you're starting to create a fuss.
Forgetting that this hotel is about the guests.
And you start putting the team on edge because you want plastic grapes. Here's what I'm going to do for you. In 15 minutes, I will clear all that furniture, okay, and I'll put it back in my van, and this shit here, I'll put back in there.